Hey, check out what we cooked today.
Here we have some chicken wings that we're going to boil. We're going to add some bouillon, chicken bouillon. Then we're going to add some garlic powder, accent, crushed red pepper. We're also going to add celery and bell pepper. And I cut up some potatoes to go inside of it. And this is what it turned out to be right here. And you talking about delicious. Oh my goodness. And wings was falling off the bone. And the potatoes were so tender. The juice was on point. It wasn't salty at all. It was great. We enjoyed every bit of it. Oh, I put a little rice in my white bowl. She liked rice with her cilantro. Put a little spin on it.